Welcome students of the exam classes. Welcome to this video from the exam of 2025. Welcome to the answer of the question 2 that we're working on right now. This exam is 2025 for both VWO and VWO, as I said before. We've seen that the king, Willem I, he sent somebody all from the Netherlands all the way to Curaçao and Aruba and the other islands. He wanted to cut down the costs and make more profit. And we'll see that he will include Suriname and the other 6 islands from the Netherlands to one colony. We call that a reforma, hervorming in Dutch. He wanted to bezuinigen in Dutch, corta, denk papiamento, and he wanted to make more economic profit. Hij wilde het economisch rendement verhogen. Een keer cresce e rendimento economico. That's what we see. And this is the answer to that question 2 in short. I'll read it in Dutch. In 1828 werd Suriname met Curaçao, Aruba en Bonaire en Sint-Eustatius met Saba en Sint Maarten, dus met Suriname tot één kolonie samengevoegd. So, the 6 Caribbean islands plus Suriname, 7 gebiedsdelen, became one colony. So the 7 areas, the 6 Caribbean islands plus Suriname became one colony to increase the economic profit. That was the idea that King William had, King William I, Koning Willem I, to create more profit by connecting them to one colony. So Suriname was also joined together with the 6 Dutch Caribbean islands from Saba, Sint-Eustatius, Sint Maarten, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, plus Suriname was his idea would become one colony, so they would be unified in one colony and it would make more profit out of it. Well, the 3 years above are in connection to that important. 1815, the Netherlands became a kingdom and King William I gained those 6 colonies again, the 6 islands and Aruba. In 1828, they were like combined together till one colony, Uniding Colonia, Uniding un Colonia in 1828. And in 1845, they were taken apart again because it really didn't work. And Suriname and the rest, and the windward islands en de beneden-Windse eilanden, boven-Windse eilanden gingen apart.